What's up guys? In this video we're going to create our Bali filter. Here are some before and afters using this filter. As always, this Bali sample filter is available for free on our website. Check the link in the description below. Also, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our future Lightroom tutorials. Now, with that out of the way, fire up your Lightroom mobile app and let's start editing. Yeah, alright. Alrighty, as usual, start on the light page and change your exposure to +78. Next, increase your contrast by +60. Decrease your highlights completely by -100. Boost your shadows by +12. Boost your whites by +41. And decrease your blacks by 45. Alright, next head over to the curve, which is in the top right corner, and create the dots exactly how we show in the video. Lift up the bottom left dot a little bit and lower down the top right dot just a touch. You can play with this a little bit until you like what you're seeing. Next, we're going over to the color tab and increase the temperature slider by +11, decrease the tint by 6, increase the vibrance by +33, and decrease the saturation by -28. Next, we're going over to the color mix tab, and in the red tab, change the hue to -21 and completely take out all the saturation to -100. Go over to the orange tab and change the hue to -17 and increase the saturation to +27. Then go over to the yellow tab, decrease the hue by -36, decrease the saturation by -24. Next, head over to the green tab, decrease the hue by -27 and decrease the saturation to -65. Go over to the cyan tab and decrease the saturation all the way by -100. Go over to the blue tab, boost the saturation by +36. And that's pretty much it for this preset. So here's some before and after shots so you can see what you've just created. Cool, right? Cool, alrighty, so that will wrap up things for this video. Hopefully you liked it, and if you did, please like the video so more people can learn from our videos, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and definitely leave your suggestions for future filters down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, peace out.